Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can insert multiple rows or more than one row in your Google Sheets. So here, I've already opened my file in Google Sheets, and let's say that I want to add more than one row under the math row here. So what you guys need to do is just block the math rows, and then also the April if you want to add two, for example, I mean Ellen and Matt, sorry, and then right click on it and then click on the insert two rows below. So new rows will be added like this, and if you want to add more than two, for example four, like this, you can just do the same, click on insert rows like this. Okay, so I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.